The National One Health Mission is the first of its kind, which showcases India's tremendous strength in pandemic preparedness by collaboration of various ministries and departments. I'm happy to note that the mission has already initiated important activities related to integrated surveillance across human, animal, environment sectors in slaughterhouses, bird sanctuaries, zoos, wastewater, surveillance in major cities of India to track AMR and infectious pathogens, joint outbreak investigations, and development of medical countermeasures. The national network of 23 BSL-3 or BSL-4 labs established under the mission are like the first line of defense for quickly detecting any new or mutated pathogen which can cause outbreaks.